line that has a y-intercept of 6 and a slope of 1/2. In order to graph a line that's not vertical and not horizontal, you need 2 points. Well, we've already got 1 point. This is the y-intercept right here, 0, 6. We need another point, and that's where the slope comes in. If the slope is 1/2, we say slope is rise over run. So in our case, with the slope of 1/2, the run is 2 and the rise is 1. Now, what does that mean? Well, we're going to go over here to Desmos and take a look. There's the y-intercept, 0, 6. And if I take a run of 2, that means I'm going 2 to the right from the point where I was. And then I take a rise of 1, and there's where I end up. Where do I end up? I end up at the point 2, 7. Notice that the x-coordinate of the y-intercept increased by 2 because that's the run, and the y-intercept increased by 1 because that's the rise. And if I actually connect those 2 points determine a line, I've got a segment that passes through those 2 points, but I want the line that passes through those 2 points. And there they are, right there. Okay, now I'm going to take a copy of this picture right here and make note of the fact on board 2 that you can get another point if you want to. You could start at the point 2, 7, take a run of 2, just by counting squares, and a rise of 1. And there's another point on the line. And if you want to, you can think of the slope as -1 over -2, because negative divided by negative is positive. So you could think, well, I'm going to take a run of -2, which would be going in this direction, and a rise of -1, going down 1. And there's another point on the line. Okay, and I don't care what the coordinates of these points are. You pick any 2 of them. The change in y, the rise, over the run, change in x, will always be 1/2 for every point on this line. Let's see if we can kind of prove that with an example. Here's 2 points on the line, 3, 7.5, and another point, 9, 10.5. How did I get the y coordinates? I took half of the x and added 6. So half of 3 is 1.5, add 6, 7.5. And you notice that rise is 3, run is 6, 3 over 6 is 0.5 or 1/2. But I don't care where I put these points. I could get some odd-looking decimals, but the slope is still 1/2, and that's going to be true for any 2 points on the line. The slope will, well, I got it out of the picture there. There's the slope right there, 0.5. Okay, again, it doesn't matter what the 2 points are. Any 2 points on that line, the slope connecting them will be 1/2. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.